नाजरीन आदाब। मधुल एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़ में आप सबका खैर मकदम है। रेलवे सफ़र को मेयार व उम्दा बनाने के लिए महकमा रेलवे की जानिब से हर मुमकिन इक़दाम किए जा रहे हैं ताकि मुसाफिरीन को सफ़र के दौरान मुश्किलात दरपेश न हों। इस बात का इजहार मिस्टर गजानन मल्लैया, साउथ सेंट्रल रेलवे जनरल मैनेजर हैदराबाद ने अपने दौरे हल्का असम्बली मधोल के बासर रेलवे स्टेशन के मौके पर मीडिया के नुमाइंदों से मुखातिब होकर किया। इन्होंने कहा कि महकमा रेलवे हर वक्त मुसाफिरीन के मसाइल पर तवज्जो मबज़ूल करते हुए मसाइल की बर वक्त यकसुई को यकीनी बना रही है। इन्होंने कहा कि मुसाफिरीन के सफ़र को महफूज और मेयारी बनाना हमारा मकसद है। वाज़ेह रहे कि मिस्टर गजानन मल्लैया, जनरल मैनेजर, आज बासर रेलवे स्टेशन का दौरा करते हुए स्टेशन का तफसीली मायना किया और रिकॉर्ड की तनक़ीद की। इन्होंने स्टेशन के मसाइल के मुतालिक मालूमात भी हासिल की। गजानन मल्लैया ने स्टेशन के अहाते में मायना करते हुए पार्किंग और मुसाफिरीन की आमद व रफ्त का मुशाहिदा किया और पार्किंग को मौसर बनाने के लिए मुतल्लिक़ अहदेदारों को हिदायत सादिर की। इस मौके पर महकमा रेलवे के दीगर अहदेदारान मौजूद थे।
We are conducting the annual inspection of Hyderabad division from Mudkhed to Secunderabad. We started in the morning from Mudkhed. We are stopping at various stations, level crossing gates, minor bridges, major bridges, and other important locations, and also inspecting some of the important stations like Dharmabad. We have come to Basar. Further, we will be stopping at Nizamabad and other stations. And we are also meeting the public representatives. In this inspection, my team from headquarters, consisting of all principal heads of department, they are accompanying me. And from the division, the DRM, Mr. Sharat Chandrayan, and his team, they are also accompanying us. Our principal safety officer is also accompanying. So at various stations, we are also checking the working of signaling system, points and crossings, etc. In this route, we are also providing train collision avoidance system. This is something very new, and that work is also going on. We have done about 130 kilometers, starting from Mudkhed, and it will be extended right up to Dhon, 600 kilometers. The purpose of this is to prevent, if two trains come on the same line, there will not be any collision. So this system involves equipment at station, equipment on the locomotives, and equipment at the level crossings and on the track at different locations. And if the train is overspeeding also, it will apply brakes. If two trains come close by, they will apply brakes. If some signal is bypassed, then also brakes will get applied. So this system is going to be duplicated in all over Indian Railways, and as a trial measure, the task has been given to South Central Railway. So and our Hyderabad division has done a good job of sprucing up the stations. In every annual inspection, some improvement is done for the employees, their housing, health center, and surrounding areas. And in the stations, the circulating area, the passenger amenities. And we have also met a number of public triple IT. There is a demand for some stoppages, the reintroduction of some services which were stopped due to COVID. And we are on the job. We will be restoring all the services at the earliest. As you know, we still had the danger of third wave. I hope it will not come, and we will be